Hi everyone, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms, and I am sick and tired of all of the bad information you find out there for growing produce, for market gardening, farming, homesteading, personal garden. So, starting today, I'm going to change all that, and here is how I'm going to do it. The first step is over at arkenbergfarms.com. Scroll down the bottom, digital tools and training. I have a free ultimate supply catalog there. There's all the things that we currently use on our farm. Quick and easy. Scroll down, look, click the link, go right to the site, you purchase it. These are things that we use and things that I highly trust and recommend to everybody I talk to. The second part is getting the good information out there. So in order to get good information out there, you have to have basically good information. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of those have some of the most outlandish things out there that people tell you to do, and they just don't work. So what my plan is to actually start building modules throughout the season, doing step-by-step walkthroughs of the processes we use here on the farm to be successful growers. There'll be things from seeding to planting, choosing varieties, also going into cultivation, harvest, post-harvest, the whole entire gamut of the spectrum of growing from seed to harvest. Now, in order to keep this affordable, because there's a lot of great programs out there and a lot of them are very pricey, but also very worth it, and I've taken them myself, I'm going to build out each of these individual modules, and we're going to use our Shopify store, arkenbergfarms.com, and actually put them for sale through there. The way we have to do this, because we're using a very inexpensive way, an inexpensive program, is that you will actually purchase a module. You will be emailed a spreadsheet after purchase. The spreadsheet will have links to videos that are specifically held private in the YouTube catalog, so only you can view them after the purchase of it. The great thing about this is that it is very easy to put together. Video editing, already do that. I have over 300 videos out there on YouTube, and it makes it more convenient and gives you the content that you want when you need it. The other great thing is that you can just get what you want. You don't have to purchase everything. You can just get the information you need, step-by-steps how to do it, and to do it the correct way that we have honed after the last 8 years of farming out here at our farm and selling specific to markets, restaurants, and through a CSA. So that way I figure I can give everybody a great value, keep the cost down, and actually give you what you want. Secondly, they'll also come with some of the stuff we already have on the site. I'll be able to incorporate those other documents into it, so you'll get a bundle package and won't have to buy other add-ons. So this is what my plan is. This is what I'm going to do throughout the next season. I'd love to hear what people have to say, so don't forget to comment down below. Also, like and share this as well. Helps with the algorithm, helps get it spread out to everybody else. And right now, it's just plain cold out here. I already can't feel my fingertips, and I've only been out here, I don't know, maybe, let's see, 2 or 3 minutes. So, as always, hope y'all like your Saturday. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go over to arkenbergfarms.com, scroll down the bottom, digital tools and training. The ultimate supply catalog's down there. We'll start there, and once it starts warming up and I start seeding, we'll start adding and building out this great farm school. So, thank y'all. Have a good day.